sounds of the game.
Snow's pushed off. It's time to play.
Football is meant to be played in this, you know. We're looking forward to it, too.
Calvillo throwing. And a catch made, and a beauty by Sylvain Girard.
Turn that off, please.
Calvillo going deep. Was it caught? It was caught! Touchdown, Sylvain Girard!
Let's go! Let's go! You know what's going on. Saskatchewan football, that's all. Ain't no more to it. That's how we're going to play the rest of the year. It's a wrap.
Printers looked over the middle. Has to dodge a couple of tackles. Throws it out for Claremont. Claremont with some running room. Jason Claremont down the sidelines. Claremont down to the 5.
Who's on first? What's on second? I don't know. Who's on third? This guy's one rough riders right there. Number 1. Grey Cup. Grey Cup.